Hello, this is a lighter trick. Um, so the first thing you want to do is get a lighter. It has to have one of these things that you can like move to like change the height of the flame. Um, yeah, sorry about that light stuff. I'm using my webcam because I can't find my other camera. So the first thing you do is take this thing off. So you get this. And then there's a little thing right here that you like move. What you want to do, it's like on a little gear thing. You want to push it up like that, move it towards the smaller flame end, and push it back down and move it back like that. And you want to keep on doing that. So you keep on moving it towards the bigger end. And once you get done doing that, however much times you want, you can put this thing back on. And then when you do use your lighter, it'll be like this. That's the length of a normal flame, and that's no. Yeah, bye.